everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video guys, tara samahan nyo kami. And another road trip na naman. Ito, currently we're here in South Carolina. We're heading to Tennessee. But kasi isa sa kasama namin si Miss Q mag-birthday. So she thought of mag road trip. So yun, so pupunta kami sa Tennessee. So we still have 4 hours to go. Ito sila. Yes. Ayun guys, samahan na kami. Hello guys, 2 hours more. So yun, stopover muna kami dito sa Dunkin Donuts sa may South Carolina ata to. Tapos ano na kami, drive na ulit papunta ng Tennessee. See you guys. Here we are guys. So yun, picture lang kami dito sa may signage ng Tennessee. May napakalagang signage. So yun, malapit na kami sa aming accommodation or sa hotel or sa cabin. So ano na lang, mga another 20 to 30 minutes drive na lang. So yun, so ito guys, picture kami dito. And here we are guys sa aming cabin in the woods. Cabin in the woods. Parang na wrong turn kami. So yan. So ito guys, this is gonna be our place for the next 4 days. Yes, yes, yes. Woo. Parang ito yung mga napapanood namin sa ano, yung wrong turn yan, itong lugar na to. So yun. Nakalak na ba yun? So tingnan natin guys kung ano yung sa loob. Magana tayo, cabin tour. Cabin. Ano na eh? Wow. Typical talaga na ano din, no? Stig. Ganda rin. Ay, Bem, sorry, 3 lang yung upuan.
Nakaplan talaga siya para sa top. Sorry.
Okay din naman. Wow! Wow. Stig. Nasaan isang room?
Magana kaya itong hotel?
Magana yan? Nice guys, ang nice. Nice. Ganda, Stig. Wow, nice. Nice. Merong ano pa, hot tub. Wow. May check natin yan. So yun guys ang maganda. So yun guys, so bukas mag-tour kami dito sa Tennessee. So kung ano yung mga pwede namin puntahan, pupuntahan namin at kukuha tayo ng mga footages dyan. So yun guys, tara guys, mag-unload muna kami ng mga gamit namin. Yes. Paano na lang ang mga trip namin kung wala si Madam P? Gutom mga abutin. Yum 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 yum.
Uy, ang ganda.
Yes. Tikman natin. Kahit bagong bunot. Perfect.
How was it?
Perfect. Hap. Hanap.
Sarap.
As in.
Pwede na?
Pwede na.
Pang $100 mo yan ah.
Amin.
Restaurant.
Sarap.
That's $100.
Perfect. Amen.
Ano kaya? Magsunod ako.
Yes, kainan na. Kainan na. Advance happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pia.
Ang steak ni Pia.
Sarap.
Ang init na iinitan ako.
Kain.
Ha? Kumarin mo.
Ang alin mo pa rin.
Knock it back. Knock it back.
Literal alcohol. Cheers.
That's good.
That's good. Ang neutralize ng kanina.
Yeah.
Grabe no? Kaya lang parang juice. No? Pero grabe yung kanina. Ano? Literal alcohol talaga.
Alright guys, a few weeks ago, came out with
talaga.
gonna start off with the 80 proof blackberry
Sanitizer.
Parang ganun. back.
Alam ko na. Do you need anything?
Good morning. Good morning guys. Day 2 sa Tennessee. So yan. Lakas ng ulan kagabi. So yeah.
Malapit na.
What? Yan may bear oh.
Isa, dalawa na? Isa
lang. Dalawa na dito sa loob, isa. Morning guys. Breakfast time. Yes. Breakfast time. Buo. Guys, kaya. Good morning guys. So we're ready. So today punta kami sa Jack Daniel's winery, distillery something. So yun, kung saan ginagawa yung Jack Daniel's. So yun, samahan nyo kami at mag-wine tasting kami ulit. So kagabi, sobrang na-enjoy naman yung wine tasting, medyo bitin. Pero worth it naman kasi for $5. Kumbaga, natatakot ako makita ko ng beer ulit dito. So yun. So worth it naman kasi $5 lang. So nakailang shot din kami ng mga different na klase na alak. So yun. So today, samahan nyo kami. Aside from pupunta namin Jack Daniel's, after na tatry namin makapunta ng Nashville kung kaya pa ng oras namin. So yun guys, tara guys.
In every moment, my love will be tempted. We're still forever, always, every moment. Even in the face of greatest charm, my thoughts will be all yours, my motto one. And when the search comes at the end of the road, be it death, be it loneliness, I'll be your road. I'd say of the love we once knew, that it's not immortal, but a flame that grew.
Years ago, they used to sweeten this with sugar maple syrup. That's not so they used to sweeten with sugar maple syrup. And how do you make sugar maple syrup? Maple wood. Out of the dungeon. Out of the ice box. Right. Y'all have a yellow wristband. Come on over.
Alright.
Yellow wristband going over. You want Jack and Coke or blackberry lemonade? I got water, lemonade, and Jack and Coke.
Blackberry. How was it?
Yum.
Yummy. guys, we're here at Memphis, Nashville, Tennessee. So ano pa lang ngayon, 7 PM pero sobrang dilim na. So yun. Ito guys. Mamasyal sana kami sa may park na parang famous dito ata sa Nashville, kaso lang sobrang dilim na, so hindi na siya ma-appreciate. So sayang, hindi namin na, medyo nagtagal kami sa ano eh, sa may Jack Daniels. So yun, anyhow, try pa rin namin mag-ikot dito sa Nashville kung anong meron dito kahit ng oras na, medyo madilim na kasi. So yun, tara samahan nyo kami. And so yung mga videos natin, mga ano na, mga footages na nakuha ko, wala masyadong mga salita, narration or what. So yun lang. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa vlog yung ganda ng Tennessee. Yun guys, tara! Video man to? Hello guys, welcome. We're here in Lookout Mountain, Chattanooga. Napakalamig, grabe. So yun guys, saan nyo kami, sobrang lamig, sarap. Good morning guys. Super lamig, nagsa-snow. Ay, tumamaling yung may snowfall oh. Parang lakas naman. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, It's snowing here, guys. See? So yeah, we're heading home, back to reality na, back to duty. So yun, sarap. Yes guys, we're here in Tennessee sa downtown nila. Sobrang lamig niya guys, yung outfit ko hindi pa appropriate. We weren't expecting nagkakaroon na snowfall. Ang lamig, grabe guys. Pero it was a great experience though. So yeah, sobrang lamig. So ngayon, naghanap na kami ng souvenir shop para dun sa kasama namin. And then after that, we're heading home na, balik na sa Florida. 8 hours drive. So yun, sobrang lamig nyo guys. Oh, grabe. Nakakatuwa. Experience like 2 seasons in a trip, in one trip. Autumn and winter. So yun guys, yun guys. Sobrang lamig. Yeah. Yun guys. Sobrang lamig. So update guys, lamig. So naisipan namin dumawa muna ito sa Atlanta, Georgia. Since on the way naman siya, pauwi ng Florida. Pero guys, sobrang lamig. Grabe. Literal. Hindi talaga pwede sa mga malalamig na lugar. Grabe. So ito. So naghanap kami ngayon ng fast food kung saan kami magdi-dinner. It's, anong oras na ba? It's 8 PM na. So yun guys, sobrang lamig talaga guys. Grabe, sobra. Woo! Dito na ako punta again. Mas malapit. Hindi maglakad.
A few moments later.
So tapos na kami mag-dinner guys. Hindi na kami mamamasyal kasi sobrang lamig na. Hindi na namin kaya. So babalik namin sa sasakyan and drive na pauwi ng Florida. So guys, for more nursing adventures and interesting stories, follow for more. Total na ako, sobrang lamig.